Today's experiment is simple pendulum. Aim of the experiment to calculate the time period capital T for 20 oscillations of a simple pendulum of length about 70 centimeter, and also we have to calculate the value of g, that is acceleration due to gravity. Apparatus used: metallic spherical bob with a hook. This is the clamp stand, split cork, fine extensible thread, vernier caliper, stop clock and meter scale. Now the procedure is, with the help of the vernier scale, calculate the diameter as well as the radius of the simple pendulum. This we have already calculated in the previous video. Tie one end of the thread to the hook of the bob. Pass the other end of the thread through the split. It's a two split half piece cork held firmly in the clamp stand. See that the cut of the cork is at right angles to the edge of the table. Place the stand on the table. Mark a line with a piece of chalk or a pencil just below the pendulum bob and parallel to the edge of the table. Mark a point just below the bob in equilibrium position and two other points A and B on the opposite side. Adjust the length of the thread below the cork piece so that the sum of the length of thread plus length of hook plus the radius of the bob comes out to be exactly 70 centimeter. Displace the pendulum bob from its mean position to the point A gently on the line parallel to the edge of the table and release it so that the bob starts vibrating. Look at here. The moment when I release, I simply turn on the stop clock. Now count 20 oscillations. Now we are calculating the number of oscillations. For 20 oscillations, we have counted the time period. That is 34 seconds. Here we have already calculated the radius of the bob. As I told you earlier that in the previous video, the reading which we have taken out, mean diameter 1.84 centimeter and the mean radius 0.92 centimeter. So here also we have used the same bob. Time period is equal to 2 pi under root L upon G, where small t is a time period for 20 oscillations, which we have already calculated as 34 seconds. We have to calculate the value for G. T is a time period of one oscillation. So first we are going to calculate the time period for the one oscillation. So here 20 oscillations we have calculated in 34 seconds. So the time period of one oscillation is 34 by 20, that is 1.7 seconds. So here the capital T is 1.7 second. So time period for 20 oscillations in the table we are writing for 30, that is 34 seconds, for the length 70 centimeter, and capital T is 34 by 20, that is 1.7 second. Value of G here is 4 pi square L upon T square. We have squaring on both the side to calculate the value of G. 4 pi is 3.14 whole square. Length we have taken 70 centimeter. You have to convert it into the MKS, that is 0.70 meter. Capital T we have already calculated 1.7. When you calculate this value, the value will come around 9.55, or we can write it as 9.6, and the unit is meter per second square. So this way we can calculate the value of G. Now, few precautions we have to take. First, the amplitude of the vibration should be kept small. The pendulum should vibrate in a plane perpendicular to the cut of the cork. Vibration should be in a straight line. Note the time as accurately as possible, because a small error in the measurement of T produces large error in the final result. Thank you.